Black Widow vs Black Canary is a battle of elite fighters from Marvel and DC. Black Widow. Master martial artist, acrobat, and assassin. Peak human strength, agility, and reflexes. Uses advanced weaponry, Widow's bite, electric batons, firearms, slower aging due to Red Room enhancements. Black Canary. Expert martial artist trained by top fighters. Peak human agility and reflexes. Canary cry. Sonic scream that can incapacitate or kill, skilled strategist. Who wins? Hand-to-hand. Close fight. Canary's raw skill may give her the edge, but Widow's assassin training and gadgets keep it even. With powers, gear. If Canary uses her Canary cry, Widow is down instantly. Widow's best shot is stealth or tech. Final verdict. Without powers, it's a toss-up. With the Canary cry, Black Canary wins.